Hi, I'm Jeff from Lingua Speakers Spanish, and in this video we'll talk about the Spanish numbers or los números, the numbers 1 to 50. Now, actually in written form, the numbers are exactly the same as English, but obviously word form and saying them out loud, they're different, and there's patterns though. So we'll talk about those patterns and you'll be good to go. So the first numbers 1 to 9 are fundamental in these patterns, so you need to really memorize them. Number 1 is uno. 2 is dos, 3 is tres, 4 is cuatro, 5 is cinco, 6 is seis, 7 is siete, 8 ocho, and 9 nueve. Like I said, these are fundamental for the patterns that you'll see later in the more compound or complex numbers, so keep them memorized. And 10 is diez. Now the teens, there's not really a pattern and something more you just have to memorize, but you will see some references to those core numbers that we talked about earlier. So 11 is once, 12 doce, 13 trece, 14 catorce, 15 quince, 16 dieciséis, and there's also an accent on the E, 17 diecisiete, 18 dieciocho, 19 diecinueve, and 20 veinte. Now, as you could see, there are some connections to those core numbers, like 19 is deci, and then the nueve, same thing with 18 deci, then the ocho. But there's also just a few weird changes, like from 11 to 15. Now, after veinte, you see a more structural pattern, and you'll be able to understand this from those core numbers. So 20 is veinte, and then the next number would be 21, where you add 1. So, 21. 22, 22, accent on the O. 23, 23, accent on the E. 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, accent on the E. Then 27, 27, 28, 28, and 29, 29. Now you can see all those 20s have a pattern where it's 20 and then that core number that would be in the ones place. And then 30, 30. Now from 30 or 30 to 50, you'll see the same pattern, which is that tens place number. So 3, 30, and then the ones place number right after it. So 1 here is uno. So 30 y 1. The E just means and. So you're basically saying 30 and 1. So 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Then 40 is 40. You still see that same pattern though after this. 41, 42 for 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and then for 50, 50. So those are your numbers in Spanish from 1 to 50. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.